As a bus driver, you know that handling payments from passengers can be a hassle, but with the right tools, you can make it easier for everyone involved. Let's look at how EMV technology makes the ticketing process easier. When you first log into the system, the EMV device will connect and initialize. This process is necessary to ensure that the device is ready to accept payments securely. When a passenger wants to buy a ticket, select a ticket configured to accept EMV payments and press on the Pay with Card button. The EMV display will show the ticket price and ask the passenger to confirm the purchase by either tapping their card or entering their PIN. For larger sums, the passenger might have to insert the card into the EMV machine and input their PIN number. Once the ticket is sold, the payment is processed and a confirmation will appear on your ticketing machine and the EMV display. The ticket will then be printed and ready to hand to the passenger. Easy, right? But what happens if the payment is rejected? The device will let you and the passenger know if the transaction is rejected, so you can quickly identify the issue and offer an alternative payment method. EMV technology makes it easy to accept credit card payments. The metric EMV terminal provides a clear and secure way for passengers to confirm their purchase. Try it out on your next route and see how it will help sell more tickets.